I've been using CapCut for years to make my videos stand out, but every time I needed campaign visuals, posters, or product images, I had to hire a designer or jump between apps like Canva and Photoshop, and still couldn't get the results I wanted. But not anymore. CapCut just launched its brand new AI design agent, powered by the best models like Nano Banana and Seedream 4, and it's a total game changer. With just one prompt and one reference image, CapCut can instantly generate studio-quality posters, thumbnails, and ad creatives, all in seconds. No design skills required, no color matching stress, no font pairing headaches, and definitely no more Canva frustration. And the best part? You can do it for free without buying any premium version. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, click the link in the description below and download the CapCut desktop application. Once the app is installed, you can easily sign up and create your account using your Google, TikTok, or Facebook login. Once you're set up, sign in and you'll land right on the CapCut interface. On the left-hand side, under the AI Tools section, click on AI Design. You'll see a variety of creative options like product posters, Instagram posts, outfit swaps, YouTube thumbnails, and much more. Okay, let's try it out. First, I'm making a YouTube thumbnail for one of my latest product review videos, and I need something that's going to grab attention and get those clicks. I will enter my prompt and will also upload reference image, and done! Look at that! The text stands out, the colors pop, and the product is front and center. Exactly what I need to grab attention on YouTube. All right, now let's see just how easily CapCut's AI design can generate high-fidelity product images in seconds. To get started, simply head over to the CapCut AI design page. Once there, upload your product images and enter a clear, detailed prompt describing what you want. Once the prompt is entered, hit Generate. Now the AI works its magic and generates the poster in seconds, ready to use on platforms like Amazon, Shopify, or any e-commerce store. By the way, did you ever face a challenge that took way longer than it should have? Whether it was design or something else? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and how you'd use CapCut to solve it. And here it is. See the amazing result? I remember when I had to adjust every little detail, spending hours trying to get the same perfect design in Canva or Photoshop. It was frustrating, but with CapCut, the AI takes all my images, the girl, the bag, the hat, and seamlessly blends them into one professional-looking poster in seconds. It's smooth, it looks professional, and most importantly, it works the way I need it to, without all the stress. Now here's where it gets even cooler. Once the AI creates the design, you're in full control. You can split the layers, change the copy, switch fonts, or even remove backgrounds. For example, I'll update this text to Black Friday Mega Sale and make the font bolder to grab attention. Let's take it up a notch. What if we want to add a new element, like to place the bag on a wooden table? And just like that, the AI instantly produces the perfect scene. Incredible, right? It's the perfect tool for small businesses, brands, or anyone needing professional designs in no time. Wait, there's more. Want to make further tweaks? Use inpainting to remove anything you don't need and replace it with new elements. And if you want to extend the background, no problem. Just use the outpainting tool to seamlessly expand your design to match your vision. You can also resize the design for different formats, including Instagram post, Facebook post, story, web banner, and many more, then hit download. Because it's all in CapCut desktop, you're done in minutes, no switching between tools. Now, what kind of designs are you going to create? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. And if you're loving this AI magic for designs, you'll definitely want to check out my previous video on CapCut's free AI avatar and dialogue scenes. I show you how to create AI avatars and dialogue scenes in minutes. It's super easy to make professional quality content. Don't miss it. Now let's create an Instagram post. You know how important it is to stand out on social media, and CapCut's AI design has you covered. Let's say you're promoting a new product and you need an eye-catching post for your Instagram feed. Just like before, I'm going to head over to the AI design page and select Instagram post. Click Make It Yours. You can select the default prompt, but I will enhance it according to my business needs. And here we go. The AI generates the post in seconds. The text is bold, the colors pop, and the product is front and center. Perfect for Instagram. And just like the other designs want to add some extra flair, you can ask the AI to enhance the post and make it more engaging. CapCut's AI design makes creating professional content effortless. Just provide a prompt and the AI does the rest. The best part? You can tweak and regenerate until you're 100% happy. No more complicated software, no wasted time, just stunning designs in minutes. Once you're happy, export and start using them right away. So why wait? Try it now. You get 10 free AI design exports every single day, yes, every day, and an exclusive Black Friday deal with 40% off your first month of CapCut Pro. This is your chance to unlock premium features and start creating stunning designs without the hassle.